In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for audience geo-targeting fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you optimize your content and marketing strategies by understanding search behavior across different regions. To get started, you need to open your web browser and search for Google Trends. Once the search results appear, make sure to click on the first link. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Now that you're on the Google Trends homepage, look for the Explore button and give it a click. Once you've navigated to the Explore page, it's time to think about the specific keywords or topics you want to research. Consider what product, service, or niche you're interested in. For instance, you might type in something like online yoga classes, eco-friendly shoes, or cryptocurrency wallet. After entering your keyword, simply hit Enter. The next step is all about refinement. You can specify your audience by applying filters to your search data. Look for options that let you adjust the time range. You might select the past 12 months for a comprehensive view, or the last 30 days if your focus is more on campaign timing. Furthermore, narrow your search by selecting a category related to your industry, such as health and fitness or shopping. Don't forget to choose the search type, which could be web search, YouTube, or shopping, depending on where your target audience is most active. Scroll down the page to the section labeled Interest by Sub-Region. Here, you'll find essential insights into which countries, states, or cities have the highest search interest in your selected topic. For example, if you're checking out eco-friendly shoes, you might find high interest in places like California or New York, and less so in other areas like Texas. This kind of information is invaluable for tailoring your strategies to the right locations. If you want to delve deeper, Google Trends allows you to compare multiple keywords simultaneously. Click on the plus compare option to add a new keyword or brand term. For instance, you could compare yoga classes online with Pilates online to find out which is more popular in various regions. This comparison is an excellent way to geo-target different offerings based on regional popularity. Finally, to ensure you have all the details on hand for future reference or to share with colleagues, download your data by clicking the download icon. This will export your data into a CSV file, which can be imported into tools like Google Sheets, Data Studio, or your ad manager to better align your geo-targeting insights with ongoing or prospective campaigns. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to understanding where and how to focus your marketing efforts, enabling you to engage your audience more effectively and refine your strategies based on geographic data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.